showers and thunderstorms. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Dallas County in north central Texas until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:18 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. This rainfall will lead to excessive water runoff and cause flash flooding. Low-lying areas are most vulnerable to rapidly rising water. Some low-water crossings may flood and become impassable. Some locations that will experience flooding include Dallas, Irving, Grand Prairie, Carrollton, Richardson, Coppell, Duncanville, Farmers Branch, University Park, Addison, Highland Park, Cockrell Hill, and Buckingham. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. The current